Hello everyone. I hope I'm live right now. Do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you all guys. Do let me know in the chat. Hello everyone. I hope I'm live right now. Do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you all guys. Do let me know in the chat guys. Hello everyone. I hope I'm live right now. Do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you all guys. Hello everyone. I'm live right now. Do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you guys. Do let me know in the chat. In the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you all, and there are no bufferings from my side. And if you like face any buffering or anything, then drop in the chat, guys. I will make sure to you get the best out of today's session. So whoever is coming, I welcome you all at for the day 7 of getting hands-on on full stack web development using JavaScript, Node.js, and React. Hello, hello everyone. If my audio and my video is clear to you all, do share with your friends, do share with your family, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. We are going live in we are starting the session in 5 minutes. So whoever is there, do let me know in the chat and share with your friends so that they can attend the today's class and add a valuable certificate to their resume by attending the today's session. Do let me know in the chat guys. Just a second. In the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family. Do let me know guys if my audio and my video is clear to you all. Do let me know in the chat guys. We are starting in 3 minutes. If my audio and my video is clear to you all, do let me know in the chat when we can start. Do some engagement guys. Whoever is there in the class, do let me know. In the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family so that they can attend the session and add a valuable certificate for attending this 7 days boot camp on getting hands-on on full stack web development using JavaScript, Node.js, React, and Laravel. Do let me know, guys, if my audio and my video is clear to you all. And we are today, I welcome you all for the day 7 of getting hands-on on full stack web development using JavaScript, React, Node.js, and Laravel. So, if you, in the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family, so that they can attend us and grab their certification, because whoever is attending today will definitely get your certificate of attendance, your certificate of participation from my side. And those who are performing well in the like brand ambassador brand ambassador program as well, they will get a like additional add-on certificate from the organization along with the like recommendation from my side. So do let me know if my audio and my video is clear. And in the meanwhile, share with your friends, share with your family so that they can attend the session and add some new value or gain some new knowledge in the like same regards. Okay, we are starting in 1 minute. In the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family, as we are moving the end of the session, as we are here for the day 7, that is the last day of getting hands-on full stack web development using JavaScript, Node.js, React, and Laravel. Okay, and do some engagement, guys. I have seen the like blank chats, so that's not a issue. If you are like facing any like trouble, or like if you want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you guys can uh, search me on LinkedIn, and you will guys find my LinkedIn profile URL in the video description as well. So do let me know if my audio and my video is clear to you all, and there are no bufferings, and there are no con and my audio and my video is clear to you all, guys. So do let me know in the chat. So shall we start, guys? So let's get started. I'm starting today for the like whatever the parts of Node.js is left, along with the like introduction of what is Laravel, the full stack framework for doing like all your stuffs, whether is in front end, whether is in back end. So first we complete the Node.js part, whatever is left. Hello Vinicius, how are you? So in the meanwhile, you guys can share with your friends, share with your family, so that they can attend the session. And most importantly, today, whoever is attending the last day of the session will definitely get their certification of participation from our side. Okay. So in the meanwhile, do share with your friends so that they can fill the attendance form. I am like not getting any like responses for the, I am not considering any responses previously. Whoever is attending today, whoever, hi Kailash, how are you? Whoever is attending today will definitely get their certificate of participation of attending the day, the getting hands-on full stack web development. The whole 7 day boot camp will, you guys will definitely get the certificate if you are attending the today's class. Okay, and today's class is like very very important, so that's why I am telling you guys to share with your friends as much as you can. Okay, so shall we? We are starting in 3 minutes, guys. Let's wait for some audience to grab up, and in the like meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family, and so that they can attend and grab their certification. And if you want guys, if you haven't joined the WhatsApp community group, you guys can join and ask your friends to join as well, as we have a like brand ambassador program running. So that's all. And in the meanwhile, do let me know as well if my audio and my video is clear to you all guys, so that like there is no buffering from my side. And if you are facing any like buffering, my internet connectivity is like pretty fine. So as in the like previous days, like I have some like issues with my internet connectivity, so that's why the like class will get delayed in the in the session. So that's why today we are conducting the day 7 of getting hands-on on full stack web development. And do let me know guys if my audio and my video is clear and there is no buffering of audio or video from my side. If you are facing any issues that is at your end, you guys need to like make sure that this this class is of like you watch the class with the like high quality resolution. Okay, so do let me know when we can start. In the meanwhile, do share with your friends, do share with your family guys, so that they can attend the session. And if you like found it useful, you guys can attend the previous sessions as well. That sessions are uploaded in the YouTube channel. You guys can attend the previous sessions along with the like same things. So without wasting any time, I'm starting with day 7. That is the last day of getting hands-on full stack web development using JavaScript, Node.js, React, and Laravel. So do let me know guys when we can start. Do let me know in the chat guys. Let's pop out the chat as well, so that I will get to know like the things are visible to you or not. Yeah. So let's get started. I welcome you all for the day 7 of getting hands-on full stack web development. Do let me know guys when we can start. So our today's topic is some like whatever I left with the like parts of Node.js, I will complete that, and I will give an introductory about what Laravel is, how we guys can use the Laravel, and what are the like benefits of using Laravel. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm getting started. So can anyone let me know like what is npm, what is the like full form of npm? If you know guys, do let me know in the chat. If you don't know, do let me know as well, so that I will be able to solve your doubts. I will be able to clarify your doubts. I will be able to clarify your anything like what you are facing, any issues or like installing or anything. You guys can connect me later as well through my LinkedIn, and I am also in the group. You guys can like drop me a message or hi or something. Once I am available, I will definitely get back to you guys. Okay, so today we are start. Let's open our Replit, as I have made account over it for running my Node.js server. And there is second thing, if you want to run your, just a second, web integration, inet cache, what's that? Okay, this is kind of CC manager. So let's open our, just let's open our project. Today I will show you guys how you can run the same thing. Where is my project? My project name is Hybrid Utopia. Let's open it with code. And for running that index.js, sorry, just a second, let it be open. So Let's collapse the thing. Node package manager. Correct. Correct, Vinicius. The full form of NPM is Node package manager. And welcome, crawling rider. You are also correct. The full form of NPM is Node Package Manager. In the previous session, I have told you guys how you can run the command, run your Node.js server with the help of an external platform. So how you guys will able to run your Node.js server inside your code. So let me go through my code. I have developed a folder called node. Okay, and I have the my first dot js. So I what I will do. So can anyone let me know what is the command for getting inside any particular folder? Do let me know in the chat, guys. What is the command for getting inside any folder? The command is cd. Cd, I have to go inside my node folder. So I type cd and then just a second, guys. It is like taking some time. Why? Let's change the thing. You guys can change the thing. Let's open PowerShell. Correct, Vinicius. So for running your Node.js server, the normal command prompt will not work. You guys will have to open the things within the PowerShell. So you guys have to open a PowerShell here. Let it be open, guys. See, mkdir to see the folder option. Mkdir is to create a folder, Vinicius. Mkdir is this mkdir full form is make directory. Make directory is something you want a folder to be created inside your subfolder. So let's say if I type mkdir, let's say my name is Kunal. So it will create a folder inside my Hybrid Utopia folder. Okay. Once I click on that, see, it's created. And if I go to my folder, it has a folder called, can you show front end please? I just joined session, don't know previous 6 days stuff. Okay, the front end I will show you. In like you guys, crawling rider, you can like watch the previous day session. In that you can show, you can like get to know like what is the front end that is being developed. That is like basic kind of a sort, because as there are no prerequisites for attending the session, I am telling you guys the basics things from the scratch, from the utmost basics. Okay, so the mkdir is something that is used to create folders, that is used to create subdirectories, subfolders, or any folder what you want. So I have to go inside my node folder where my first node, my first. So I am inside my node folder. So what is the command for starting my node.js server? The command is I have to initialize node and my, let it be on. Okay, it's perfect. Listen on port 3000 and my file name is my first js, my first dot js. Once I hit enter, it will run the node.js. It will run my node.js server at port 3000. Just a second. Let it be run till, let's wait. If that thing not works because my like system is like too slow for like node.js server to be run directly. So let's type localhost port, not this, localhost column 3000. See, it is running. My server is running. Once I type localhost 3000, if I change that port, I am returning only hello world. So let's say hello world, welcome to the session. If I save that and reload the page. Okay, I have to like restart my server again for getting the changes reflected. So I again initialize the things. I will refresh. Just a second. See, hello world, welcome to the session. So in this way, you guys will be able to. Hi Fakim, how are you? Just a second, guys. Can you explain the uses of Express.js and Next.js later? What kind of benefits these tools bring to us? Yeah, I am like planning to conduct a boot camp in the upcoming days on the like particularly next.js. I will develop that is a like project wise session. I will deliver to you guys. That is a kind of project based session on which we built next.js, a personal developer portfolio in that. So I'm like planning to give you guys a like overview, like what needs to be done in the like upcoming days, what are the upcoming session that needs to that is scheduled in the like upcoming days. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, please do subscribe that so you don't follow. I am also fine. Fakim, where are you from? So in this way, you guys can start your Node.js server. That server doesn't starts in the normal command prompt. You have to initialize a PowerShell. You have to open a PowerShell and open your folder in the PowerShell and initialize the Node.js server. Okay. So let's create a module. I'm left with the module creation, how you guys can use the built-in modules and how you guys can include your own modules as well. So what are the Node.js modules? Node.js modules are some sort of libraries or what you say, predefined functionality that you guys don't have to code it from scratch, code it from basics. That is like developed by someone else, and you guys have to like install it on your application. That's it. Is as simple as that. And to install a module, to install a server. Oh, nice. Actually, we have many people from Bangalore. So the thing is, you in that case, if you want a like what you say a module to be installed in your Node.js, you guys don't have to code it from scratch. That is pre-built in Node.js. You guys have to import that. You guys have to install that. Okay. So the command for installation for any server is with the npm. That is our Node package manager. So there are two types of modules, built-in modules and include modules. So built-in modules are something that are predefined that you guys can use in Node.js without any further installations. And for the built-in modules, there are a complete list of modules. Okay, so how you guys can include your modules and the include the pre-built modules. Okay, so this is a module you guys can include any module that is present in Node.js predefined, and you guys have to like import it according to your needs. For example, I want the HTTP module. HTTP module is something that runs on my server. So I will use the require command for loading that module. There are many modules comes that is pre-built in Node.js. So to import that module, I have to use the require function. So inside that I will name the module, and that module is imported in my JS, in my node.js file. Do let me know guys if you are clear with it so I can proceed further. And there is a that HTTP module is something that is able to create a server for you guys. That is able to create a server, guys. What I am like calling that is my server that I am using with Node.js. Let's close it as we have the things running on that. Okay, so let's get started with the creation of modules. So how you guys can include your own module? Okay, so to make your own module, you guys can do one thing. You can create a module file. Let's say my file is my first module.js. That is and I am creating that file inside my node folder. So let's create a file, my first module.js, and once I hit enter, I have a blank module file. So inside that I have to put some code. Okay, so inside that I have to put some code. So how I will be able to like use that module? So for using that module, I am defining a function kind of a thing called variable in my first.js. I have defined a variable, and my module is not inside that. I have put the wrong path here. Hi Shravani, how are you? Can my personal module be private somehow? Yes, that there are access modifiers in Node.js. You can publicly that depends on your expertise. Like if you want the like your module to be accessible inside your application only, you can make it private. And if you want the your module to be published publicly, you guys can put it on the like Node.js website. I have a company that need to create it. Or I have a company that need to create its own module. I just joined the session. Can you speak out roadmap till 7 day? Only titles of each day it will take on. Yeah, yes, Yogesh. The first day is the basics of HTML. Second is the basics of CSS. Third is the basics of JavaScript. And the fourth day is the basics of React.js, like the all basics, like like the main ones. And the fifth and sixth day is for the Node and the React.js basics, and the final day is today is the some sorts of Node.js basics and the Laravel basics what we are using. So if you are clear with it, and for Vinicius, we have a to create your own modules, you can use the access modifiers that are present in Node. Okay, so let's just a second. If I put dot slash, my file is inside my first module. So once I save it, that var dt is not added actually. So what we have to do, I want like to add the things in a time. So just a second, let me copy that, because as there is no time to write the code everything in that session. So I am using that. Just a second, guys. Why it's okay. Response dot end. Oh, sorry. Why this error is coming? Because I haven't closed the things from my side. Okay. So we have, if we open a like command or something bracket, you have guys have to like close that thing as well. Okay, and for Yogesh, if you want to like watch the like previous sessions that are also uploaded in the like channel, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys, as we are at the day 7 of getting hands-on on full stack web development. So without wasting any time, I'm proceeding further. So yeah, thanks Yogesh. Yeah. So we have people from Pune as well. I actually I'm a like co-founder of a company in Pune. I will like tell you the like details, and if you guys can connect me on LinkedIn as well. My LinkedIn ID is present in the video description, guys. Okay, so the thing is, we have to use the this response dot write. I have told you guys that to telling my server that my file is of HTML file and I'm returning on HTML, and this write function is writing my content. The date and time are currently plus dt. Dt is my variable and it is including my it in my module. So dt dot my date dot time, whatever I write here, let's say private module or something. Okay, I don't use any keywords kind of a thing. Let's save this. So it will like concatenate my name with the date and time currently, and I'm ending that response with the response.end function, and I'm listening. So to make sure, like, I will close that and start my server again, just to show you guys what this module is doing. It is to check if it is like getting the things. Just a second. It will take some time to initialize. Why? See, it is not a defined function actually. So what I will do, let's say date. Date is a function, I guess. It will show you the errors if you like do any mistake in that. Let me check if the server is started again or not. Still it has a error. dt.myDate time is not a function. Just a second, guys. If you want to, just a second. Actually, there is some mistake in like loading the modules. Let me save that. Let's run that. If it's working fine, server anonymous. It's showing the same error again and again. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's return the same response that we have used in the previous code, like the hello world plus. Okay, so just a second. I have to use it here. Let's run that again to check if it is returning the things. Error event. Just a second. Let me close this. Let's check it again. Actually, I'm doing something wrong that I'm not able to find, like what is happening inside that. So without wasting any like further time, if the like issue still persist, and we shall proceed to the like further things. We don't server anonymous. This function is not allowing to like use the things. What this is doing. Okay, date is not of, let's say date or something, to check it's working or not. Still it not works, I know. So let's get started with the Laravel, guys. Let's close this. So for Laravel to work on, what is Laravel? First thing is Laravel is a, I am going to the official documentation of Laravel, that is laravel.com. So if you want, you guys can go through the documentation parts. So once I click to the documentation, Laravel is a PHP framework for the web artisans. Web artisans is something like for the web developers, for the full stack developers. And there are, Laravel is something that is like scalable in the sense that is like very much scalable, and Laravel is something with which you guys will be able to develop a like full stack web application without any like prior coding knowledge. You guys have to install the Laravel. For there are prerequisites for Laravel. First is your XAMPP server that you have to install. That this is a XAMPP server. You can install any version of it. So first thing we have to, start the server. And Laravel is a like full-fledged framework for that is used for developing scalable web application softwares kind of a sort. And with the help of Laravel, you guys will be able to develop a full stack web application. Oh, nice, Yogesh. We had a meeting over coffee mug. Yeah, pretty cool. So the thing is, for if you guys want to like develop a full stack web application in Laravel, you guys don't have a like prerequisite or something. That is predefined. There are many packages available for authentication, for multi-step authentication for like admin, user, staff, and like all the stuff. And for our first scenario is we have the MySQL and Apache to be started. And second thing, we have the Node.js also installed in it. And the third is we have the Composer installed. So you guys can install the Composer from get Composer. You guys can install the same. Composer is the package manager, like what you say. For the installation of Laravel, you guys need the Composer, that is a dependency manager of Laravel. Without Composer, you guys won't be able to install Laravel, you guys won't be able to run Laravel. Okay, so I'm starting with a basic project. I will show you guys a multi-step authentication within uh, 2 to 4 minutes. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So for creating a Laravel project, what I will do, let's go to our code. Let's get started. Just a second, guys. I will go to my backend folder, and inside the htdoc, I have to type a cmd over there for creating a Laravel project. And Laravel is also like database friendly as well, for like any proceedings, for like any things you want, guys. It is also database friendly. You guys don't have to like create your database manually, whatever you done in the like mongoose, or like you create an instances for that in the like Node.js as well if you are connecting with something. And it supports like multiple frameworks, multiple databases and all. So for creating a Laravel project, the command is composer create, sorry, composer create project Laravel. The current version of Laravel is Laravel 10, but the stable version is Laravel 8. So I'm telling you guys the implementation of with the Laravel 8. Okay. So for installing the specific version of Laravel, you guys have to use composer create project Laravel slash Laravel is equals to 8 point star. The latest version of 8 Laravel 8 is installed, and then the project name. I am naming the project with the same name, whatever, and let's enter. So it will, if you guys have the composer install, it will create a, it will install like all the dependencies what we done in the React as well. So the thing is, you guys will be able to install install a Laravel application within like within a single command, that we have done in the like same similar way in the React approach as well. So after, let's wait for some time. Till then, if you guys have any queries regarding the what I have told, and if you have any doubts, you guys can ask. Till the installation is done, I will proceed to the like further steps. Let's check if my installation is done or not. Like it has multiple dependencies that depends on your internet connectivity as well, and like what's your internet speed. So it will take some time to install the like all dependencies, like 2 to 3 minutes. So we have to wait for like some time for install for getting the like dependencies installed. Once these dependencies are installed, we guys can like connect, we guys can make our multi authentication part without any delays or without any like further askings and all. So in Laravel, what we have like database schemas. We defined a predefined structure of the database, and we don't have to manually create the database in our MySQL or something. So with the help of Laravel, the Laravel follows the MVC architecture, model, view, and the controller architecture. The model is something that is our database schemas that is connected with our database, and second is our routes, that you hit a URL on any website or something, that are our routes. And there is a view with the help of controller, that view is rendered in that route. So that is a like basics of like what MVC architecture is, the model, view, and controller. Okay, so like I have to go inside my folder. Now can anyone let me know what is the command for getting inside any folder? The command is cd, guys. So as I am inside my folder, so to run my server, there is a command for running my servers, that is php artisan serve. And artisan is the command line tool with which you guys will be able to install any package, install anything, and running your servers. The artisan is the like command client tool for installing your dependencies or packages in Laravel. So for running my server, there is a command php artisan serve, and it is open at 1207 at port 8000. Once I click on that, see, this is the basic architecture. This is the basic thing of Laravel. If you click on that documentation, you will redirect it to the documentation part of the Laravel. And in the like bottom, you guys will see the Laravel version and the PHP version. Okay, once you are like installed with the composer, this pop-up will also come for selecting your PHP version. And that PHP version comes in the XAMPP. Once you install the XAMPP, your all resolve dependencies will get installed automatically. Okay, so the second step is to like install composer and then create your Laravel application. That's it. And let's open our folder inside our VS Studio Code. So you guys will be, it is like, actually I click on like different, I click on terminal actually. So just a second guys, let it be open and let me close it. So if I right click and I show more options and I open with code, so as you see, yeah, perfect. So this is the like basic scenario. This is the like basic architecture that the folder structure that Laravel gives. And for whatever MVC I am talking to you guys, it's something that is inside my app. The controllers are inside my app, HTTP controllers, and my models are that are connected with my migration. There are migration for creating your database schemas. Okay, so the user, there is a model predefined, and there are some databases schemas that is predefined in Laravel that you will find in the database. Inside migrations, there are some tables, and for migrating my tables, and the main files is the resources, and through which we are rendering the views. Inside that there is a view folder with which this welcome.blade, this this is only rendering the HTML guys, but in a different way. It in React we have the pure JS, but in Laravel we have the blade template engine for rendering our React, for rendering our HTML, for showing our HTML inside our web application or web page. Okay, so this is the like basic structure of HTML. You guys are all are aware of it, but with a different extension, that is .blade.php. Okay, I hope I'm clear to you guys. So for I guess I am only like deal with the like basics in the like today class, as we have only 10 minutes to go. I check if that thing is like feasible from my side. I will be able to like show you guys what multi-authentication is within like 2 to 5 minutes. So this is a env file with which your database gets connected. So let's make a database with the same name of the thing, and we have to go to our XAMPP and click on the MySQL admin, and it will open a similar PHP myadmin structure kind of a sort. And once I click on new, and I have to make sure like the namespace and like whatever I type here exactly match this same thing here. So without wasting any time, I am starting with the, so there are two packages for authentication. One is the Jetstream Livewire and second is the Laravel Breeze. There are two packages that are available for multi-authentication in Laravel. I don't have to write the code from scratch. I have to just install it in my application. Okay, so let me save that. Let's open a new terminal here. For installing any package, we have the command for installing any package, we have the command composer require Laravel slash package name. My package name is jet uh, jetstream, guys. So once I hit enter, do let me know in the chat, guys, if you have any doubts regarding the same. So I will be able to clarify your doubts till it gets installed. Do let me know in the chat, guys. So till it's installing, you guys can ask your doubts, your queries, whatever you have. And there is like two more files, that is composer json and the composer.log. Composer json is something that with inside which your like packages or like whatever requirements you have of the Laravel is installed with the like specific version. And this composer.log is something like inside that like all your external packages is installed inside and gets logged inside the composer log.json. And there is a file dot package.json with which there are packages that are pre-installed with Laravel. You guys will like get to know that is run with the npm as well, guys. Okay, so let it be installed. I hope that things are clear to you all, guys. If you have any doubts, you guys can connect me later as well, and if you can ask me directly in the chat as well. Now for installing, there is in Jetstream there is a package called Livewire. This is a component. So for installing any package, the command is php artisan install. Just a second, guys. If my audio and my video is clear to you, you guys can let me know. If there is any like buffering or something, please let me know, guys. Yeah, I hope it is clear. So there is a command php artisan jetstream install livewire. So you guys can see, let's copy wires. Let's hit enter. It install two components. It will install the livewire components actually. So let it be done. See, it is creating some migrations for the multi-authentication, and with that, this is a like very good package to work on. And the Jetstream is something that will give you a functionality of two-factor authentication that is not in any other package, guys. Like a two-factor authentication within your, if you enable that two-factor authentication, you guys will receive a multi-authentication code. In the same regards, you will receive a time-based code in your Google Authenticator app, and you guys will be able to like rectify the things, or like if you add that code, you guys will only be able to log in into your account then if you enable the two-factor authentication of that package. And that is done with the UI, that is done through the UI parts actually. So let it be making the things done. Actually, sorry for the like delay. It is like installing the things on his behalf. I don't have any like obligations with it. So it is installing at his speed, or like whatever the speed is. The internet connectivity, that thing depends on the internet connectivity as well. So it's complete, I hope. Yeah, it's complete. So I have to install these two command, type these two commands. See, this package also runs on the npm. That is our node package manager. Okay, so let me copy that and run that command. This npm install is installing the necessary node modules npm packages that required for running the smooth functionality of this package. And the npm run dev is something that is for generating our build, that is for mixing my build actually. Just a second, let it be. See, it is installing the things on his behalf. And in the meanwhile, if you guys have any doubts regarding the things or want any clarifications regarding the things, you guys can ask in the chat. Let's wait for some time till it gets installed. And in the meanwhile, I have some changes. Now see, I have the email verified, password, remember token, current team ID. It has like, it comes with like multiple functionality. So my migrations are also updated, and it has a like two-factor authentication thing inside the user. It has added a like column for the two-factor authentication. If I run the migrations, I will get to know. And you guys have to make some changes if you are adding any column. I am not adding any column as of now. The changes can be done in the action 45 and the create new user. If you are adding any additional column, the predefined columns are name, email and password. That's it. So till it's get installed, let's wait for some time. And in the meanwhile, I will guys share to you the I will share the attendance link at the last. Don't worry about. If you are listening the things properly, you guys will have a like better value over it rather than the certifications, guys. There is one more thing that I forgot actually. So this is something that I have to add. I will tell you guys what is why it's taking so much time. It is like installing the things. It will take some time, guys. So I request you guys to stay on till like it is installed. It will take like hardly 4 or 5 minutes to till like our time gets over as well. So in the meanwhile, I'm sharing you guys the brand ambassador form if you are interested in doing a brand ambassador kinds of in a brand ambassador kind of a thing. And you will get additional certificate afterwards as well if you perform well. After this session end, you will get a brand ambassador certificate of participation as well from my side. Did you guys have any extra courses on Udemy or personal platform? Yes, we do have. If you like, I will share the link to you, Vinicius, as well. If you like want to like purchase or like on Udemy, I am like putting, I'm planning to like put some courses on Udemy, or I have like my personal platform as well to work on. So once it is launched, I will let you know, guys. It is like launched in the month of August. So with which you guys can like able to like install the like purchase my courses and all the stuff from the like Hybrid Utopia, so that it will be like beneficial to you all guys. So let's see. I am sharing the till then I'm sharing the where it is. I'm sharing the brand ambassador form to you guys. If you are interested in doing so such kind of internship or something, you guys can fill the form, and I have pinned that message so you guys will be like able to don't find the things on like scrolling. I have pinned the message if you are interested in doing a brand ambassador kind of internship, kind of a sort. You guys and the best performer will receive a letter of recommendation from our side as well. So do let me know in the chat guys if you are interested in doing such stuff. As you see, the packages are installed, and let me first enter that 787. It added the 787 packages and audited 7, and the other command is running, that is my npm run day for mixing my build. Once it is done, I will get a notification that build is successful. In the meanwhile, you guys can fill the brand ambassador form. So I am at the end of the session. So like your valuable comments, your like suggestions, like how we can improve guys. So you guys can drop me a chat if you have any like questions for me or any suggestions for me to like do in the like next boot camps as well. Whatever like your suggestions to like plan further for the like further boot camps on which you guys are interested in doing so. Just a second. It is mixing. Yeah, the build is almost getting successful. After this build gets successful, I will run two commands only and my authentication is done. My multi authentication is done actually. See, the build is successful and it will give me a notification as well that my build is successful. So let's open. Now, for migrating my tables, as you see, the tables are empty as of now. There are no tables inside my this database. So for migrating my table, there is a command. There are five migrations there. Six migrations. So there are six tables to be generated once I run the command. So the command is php artisan migrate. See, and once I refresh that, I don't have to manually create the tables. Whatever we do in the like PHP my admin, if you have a knowledge of that. So I don't have to use that. I don't have to create the tables manually. The tables are created within the migration and within a single command. So see, it has ID, name, email, verified. And once I refresh my page as well, I will get two options, login and register. Once I click on login, it will show me a page, but that is like the CSS is not as much like pretty enough. That is an error, and I will show you guys how you can rectify the error. Okay, so you guys have to copy that code. Actually, I have to copy that code, and you guys have to make some changes in the layouts, that is inside my resources, views, layouts, inside the app.blade. This I have to comment this script and link the things whatever we done in the like modern CSS or something. Let me just a second. Oh shit. Yeah, perfect. I have to link these two files inside my app.blade and my guest.blade as well. That is the issue with the White integration. White is also a JavaScript framework or a library you say. So once I added that code and I go to my page and I refresh that, see, the CSS issue is resolved as well. And let's register one thing. I don't write any single code from my side, and I have the authentication added inside. Let's make a account called, let's say, admin, and my email is admin@gmail.com, and it will align me a dashboard as well, a particular dashboard for managing my things, for changing my user profile and all. So let's get register. Let's click on register and let's see if that is successful. Perfect. I am logging into my dashboard, and inside my database I have a entry inside my DB as well. Like whatever I type, and the password is saved in the hash. So don't worry about. It is like most authenticated thing. And if I click on my profile, I will be able to change my name, update my name, add profile photo. If I add admin, like my name is, and once I save that, see, it is saved, and it is also updated here as well, and it is also updated here as well. See, the all things are dynamic. I can change my password. I can enable the two-factor authentication as well after typing my password, whatever my password is. See, if I scan that code with my Google Authenticator, I will be able to set a password authentication code through my phone, through my mobile phone. And once I log out and I want to log in again, I go to the login page. I log in with my creds. That is, and I can log in again to the same stuff. Whatever I have, I will be able to log into my account. Let me check. See, I'm logged in, and once I log out, so this all from my side. I hope you guys are clear with what I have told you guys till today. And if you have any doubts or queries, you guys can ask. And I'm sharing the attendance form as we are approaching the end of the session. So if you like found it useful, you guys can share with your friends and family. And don't forget to fill the attendance form, as whoever filled the today's attendance form will definitely get your certificate of participation from our side. Okay, I have shared the attendance form. Do let me know, guys, if you have filled the attendance. Once you filled the attendance form, I am replacing the pinned message so you guys can find the attendance form. I am sharing it 2 times again so you guys won't be confused between the brand ambassador form and the attendance form. The attendance form is pinned as of now, so you guys can fill your attendance form. In the meanwhile, you guys can share or share the, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends, guys. So let's, once you are done with it, I am closing like all the stuff whatever is running, as I have like many things running on my servers, and also that is loading, that is taking much time. So let me stop that as well, this thing as well. So let me restore the chat. Let me close this as well. Let me restore the chat. Once if you guys are done with it, you guys can let me know so that we can proceed to the end of the session. And thank you all for attending the session and making it valuable, guys. Do let me know, guys, if you have filled the attendance form. So as So see you in the like upcoming sessions, what we have planned for you guys. And if you want to connect with me, you guys can find the and stay connected in the WhatsApp community. If you have any queries, uh, we are planning to attend a different type of a boot camp on a like different language or a like particular project wise boot camp that you guys can start making and add it in your resumes as well in the upcoming days. Done. Viva is done. So shall we proceed to the end of the session, guys? Do let me know in the chat if you are done with it. Please let me know. I guess. Yes, sure, Vinicius. We can chat on LinkedIn. You can message me anytime. I'm available to you. And you have my if you have my WhatsApp number, I am also in the group. I will drop you a text on WhatsApp as well. So we can connect over there as well. Thanks, Sharanya. How are you? If you are done with this, done with the attendance form, guys, do let me know when we can end the session. Yes, Vinicius, I will like call you or in WhatsApp. So do let me know like when you are available so we can have a like chat for like the bootstrapping of our minds and all. So we can connect on later as well. You can message me on LinkedIn or you can message me on personal my number as well. I will be happy to connect with you guys if you have any like queries or like any initiatives. Firstly, message me on LinkedIn. Sandhya is also done. So shall we proceed to the end of the session? Do let me know in the chat, guys. Shall we proceed to the end of the session so that we guys can connect later and afterwards as well? So stay connected and make sure you guys make sure you guys subscribe the channel and share with your friends as well. One, show some support, guys. I am here to teach you guys on from the utmost basics, from the utmost scratch, and to drop a like if you like attend, if you really like the boot camp and my teaching strategies, what I have told you practically, not in the like theory parts. I have told you guys from the utmost basics, from the utmost practical things I have showed you, and I have told you how to do the implementation as well, guys. Yeah, so that's all from my side. Thank you for attending the last day of getting hands-on on full stack web development using JavaScript, Node.js, and Laravel. So see you tomorrow. See you in the upcoming session, guys. As I forgot, as I'm in the like day end of the session. So let's connect again in the like different boot camp. You guys can give us a valuable suggestion like what to like start with the like another boot camps. What is the like topic of discussion? What is the like topic of you want a personal project boot camp or that kind of stuff or a like master class kind of a stuff. You guys can let me know in the chat as in the groups as well, in the WhatsApp community as well. And if you like want to connect with me on LinkedIn, you guys can find my LinkedIn ID in the like group in the LinkedIn description in the video description as well. So see you in the upcoming session, guys. Thank you all and making the sessions valuable, guys. Yeah, see you soon, guys. Bye bye.